Almost from the moment Justin Trudeau said he would legalize pot as Prime Minister, the Conservatives have been on the attack. But CBC News has learned not all Conservatives. As Alison Crawford discovered, several have been pushing for softer laws as well.
He's sending the message that recreational drug use is okay.
On radio and in print, the Conservatives are attacking the Liberal leader for his plan to legalize marijuana. Even so, a growing number of Conservative MPs and senators say it's time to give police the option to ticket and not always charge those caught with small amounts of cannabis.
We want something else. The only tool can't be the one tool we have.
Cops are supposed to lay a criminal charge, but more often than not, they turn a blind eye, says this former police chief.
Finding someone with a small quantity of marijuana, a joint or two, and the amount of paperwork and file work that goes in to prosecuting such a case for the result, which is typically a fine or less.
Last summer, Canada's police chiefs called on the federal government to give police discretion to lay fines. They say it would save the justice system time, money, and recognize that a criminal record shouldn't always be the consequence of getting caught with pot. At the time, the Prime Minister was non-committal.
And the government is certainly looking at their proposal very carefully.
Since then, CBC News has learned several Conservative MPs have weighed in.
We think it's a positive move forward, and we've expressed that to the powers that be.
The chair of the Conservative Law Enforcement Caucus says the government would have to take care in how it communicates any new legislation.
I guess the proviso would only be that we don't send out the message that we think possession of marijuana is a good thing. And that's not something our party goes for.
But what about those attack ads?
The political pitfall, if you embrace a law and order agenda, is that it seems to come very close to decriminalizing the possession of marijuana, which the Conservatives are on record as opposing.
And that's where Canada's police chiefs come in handy, as their endorsement of the proposal gives excellent political cover for this government to introduce legislation. Alison Crawford, CBC News, Ottawa.